Excuse how I look. It's not about how I look right now. It's about how I am eating. I have just made one of my best chicken breasts ever. I still have all the ingredients out. Like, look at this. Look at this. It's so good, I can't even finish mine. This is how much I have left of mine because I just keep eating it. So I feel like I need to tell you what I used, how I made this, so you can also enjoy your life. You got to do Tyson's all natural boneless chicken breast. This is what you're starting with. Dethaw it. My chicken breast sat in its seasoning for over a day, maybe even longer. And these are the seasonings I used. I used Italian seasoning. I used parsley. You're like, okay, great job. I used salt, pepper. I'm getting there. I'm getting to what counts. Onion powder, Hungarian paprika, and then the best ingredient is the Hungarian chicken rub. Do you see the Hungarian emblem on that? This is about to make your life so much better. Like, Hungarians are so good at seasoning their food. So get this. And then I cooked it in a good amount of avocado oil, like a shallow fry, and I pan fried it until it was done. And it's literally the best chicken breast I've ever made. So here you go.